Hey guys, it's David Wynn here, day one of the One Funnel Away Challenge. It's March. Just wanted to talk a little bit about what I learned in Mission 1 and that could actually help you guys out as well. And one of the things is talking about like when you're trying to accomplish something, trying to build a product, build a service, build a funnel, you always have self-doubt. And so you want to write down those things, what you have doubts about, and then how do you actually overcome them. So one of my doubts is always, I don't have enough time in the day. Family's a distraction, gets in the way. So what I did is I wrote down those fears and those doubts, and then I wrote down an objection of how am I gonna move past it. So to find time, I wrote down that the schedule on my day. So I rescheduled on my day so that I'll wake up before everyone else wakes up so I can get my challenges completed and my tasks completed. And I can also stay up a little bit later if necessary in an emergency situation to get work done, right? Yes, you get a little bit less sleep, but if you find balance to sleep earlier, then you can wake up earlier, right? So that's one of the things. We always have these fears that get in the way of us accomplishing what we want, and then we doubt, and then we just don't do it. So write down your fear, then write down your objection, and strategize around how you're going to overcome that. Another thing I learned in the training is you have to basically kill off an old part of yourself. So we all believe that we are a certain type of personality, a certain way, certain mindset, and insert your name, then, my name is David. So David is this personality type, this qualified, this intelligence, this all this stuff. But really, we become whoever we want to become, right? So you have to kill off certain things you believe about yourself, like, oh, I don't know how to do funnels, or no, I don't know how to do marketing, or I don't know anything about credit, or no, I'm not smart enough. You got to kill that stuff off. Write them down, know what your weaknesses and your doubts are, but then implement a new strategy so that you aren't that person anymore. So if you know nothing about funnels, for example, that's why you're taking one funnel away, for example, right now, like what I'm doing. I do know about funnels, but I can always sharpen up my knife and become better, right? Outside of affiliate marketing and things like that. So what you want to do is make sure that there's an old person that is yourself. You kill a part of them off that is not as strong, and then you set up some goals for yourself in your future. So if your goal is to make 20K a month, 50K a month, and you want to be a millionaire, you have to actually put that in stone. This is what I want, and then this is the new person that I am. So what does this person do in a day-to-day? What kind of actions does this person take every day to accomplish this goal and live this lifestyle, right? So that all that negative things you feel about your old self, or where you had limitations, no longer you have those limitations because you're yourself, but 2.0. All right, guys, if you want to get into One Funnel Away, I have a link below. I'm just going through this. First time I tried, I didn't get it completed, so this is the real run now. I'm gonna keep recording videos to hold myself accountable. If you guys need anything at all, help with affiliate marketing, questions about Clickfunnels, questions about One Funnel Away, click on the link below, comment below, hit like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys. This is David, August University, and I'll see you in the next video.